Question 21. The graph shows the linear relationship between the maximum area in square feet that can be painted and the number of gallons of paint used. Which of these best represents the rate of change of the maximum area painted with respect to the number of gallons of paint used? So here they said, which of these best represents the rate of change? Okay, so rate of change is what I need. Okay, so rate of change. Another word for rate of change is slope. And the formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And you don't need to remember this formula. It's actually in your formula sheet. Let me show you. So that would be in this formula sheet here that they give you on the test, and you just look for slope of a line, and here's actually the formula. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, now for this I need 2 points. So let me go ahead and pick 2 points from the graph. All right, well, I think 0, 0 is a good point. And another point, well, all of these are pretty much good points. Let me pick 1, 400. Okay, and this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's go ahead and put the numbers inside. So y2 is 400 minus y1 is 0 divided by x2 is 1 minus x1 is 0. And you do 400 minus 0. Well, 400 minus 0 is 400. And then you're going to do divided by. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 400 divided by 1, well, that's 400. There's your slope. So my answer is C, 400. Now, here they're telling you what it represents. Let me just tell you how to find what a slope represents. Okay, so to find this, what the slope represents, okay, remember my formula is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, what letter is up? Well, the letter is y divided by x. So let's find what y represents. Well, here's y. What does the y represent? Well, it represents the area painted in feet squared. So I'm going to put feet squared for y divided by x. What is x? Number of gallons of paint. So gallons. Okay, so gallons and feet squared. And what does this line mean? Well, it means per, or you can just put a slash. So what they had was they had 400 feet squared per gallon. So this is your final answer, 400 feet squared per gallon.